British Airways Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how far your points can take you with a British Airways credit card. This card earns Avios points that can be used for international flights, upgrades, and travel perks. You earn bonus Avios on British Airways purchases and everyday spending. The card also offers travel protections and no foreign transaction fees. If you frequently travel internationally, this card can provide great value. If you rarely leave the country, it may not be worth it. In 2025, the British Airways credit card is a strong option for global travelers who want flexible international rewards.